Over the years, there have been some attempts to develop a way for us laserists to control the width of a scanned laser beam in real time. Finally, and luckily for us and the whole lighting industry, our partners from Pangolin managed to figure it out. This brand new patented technology is called BeamBrush, and you will find it exclusively in the BeamBrush series laser fixtures manufactured by us, Cavant Lasers. The BeamBrush allows for smooth beam diameter adjustments in real time, even of complex scanned effects. It means you can now really paint and color with laser light and add depth to projected content, something never seen before, and setting the boundaries of laser projected graphics and abstracts effects to a new level. The fact that you can go from a razor-tight laser beam to a volumetric wash look instantaneously means that it is possible to replicate the effect of moving heads, making BeamBrush laser projectors even more flexible and very useful for lighting designers. And let's not forget that you get a virtually unlimited number of gobos with lasers because you can create them in the software. Finally, and above all, appreciate the benefits of the BeamBrush when it comes to laser safety. The ability to flawlessly change the size of the beam gives you an excellent tool for safer audience scanning shows with minimized impact on the quality of projected content. We offer 4 BeamBrush laser systems with a power output of 3 watts, 6.8 watts, 10 watts and 35 watts. Essentially, they are all based on our current best-selling ClubMax and Atom series systems. BeamBrush comes with all the advanced features of those projectors and is compatible with all available accessories. The operator can control the BeamBrush lighting fixture from Pangolin beyond 5.0 software, via Ethernet from a PC or via ArtNet or DMX directly from a lighting console. To sum it up, the BeamBrush laser from Cavant is unique laser graphic system allowing for stunning 3D graphics, logos, animations and abstract projections. Very effective full-color wash light alternative with virtually unlimited number of gobos. Laser projector that offers much safer and impactful audience scanning shows. Thank you for watching. Please get in touch with us and give it a try.